What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Grim and today I'm here with Terry.
Going home.
And we're going to Sherman Falls just before sunset, hopefully to get some cool footage. Last time I shot with Terry here, I was ending off the video shouting out his channel and I accidentally almost called him Terry Crews. And in correcting myself, I called him Terry Wells.
I caught that on your video, yeah, I got it.
And I'm like, wait, isn't his name Wilson?
Yeah.
Ah, fuck, whatever. So I'm here again with Terry Wilson. We're doing some light painting, steel wool, light trail, sunset, waterfall, frozen photography. That's not going in the title. As you heard from Terry, we're here at Sherman Falls, hopefully to have frozen waterfall with the water and make good contrast. And some camera words and blah blah blah. Blah blah blah, aperture, exposure, ISO 100. Okay, so we're gonna go in through this little thing here. Basically, we can go in behind the snow, the waterfall. I got it.
It's not that far.
Holy,
This is cool.
look at this. I think this is a good as place as any to say what's up, everybody. Like we're hiding inside of a rock cliff with frozen water surrounding us. Okay, we're getting the fuck out of here. We're getting the fuck out of here. Little impromptu photo shoot with the two lovely people just passing right there.
Oh, you gonna do the little.
Okay, that was awesome. Look at this photo. Oh my. Okay, we're getting the fuck out of here. It's too cold. Let's go. Okay, so stopping into Timmy's for a quick minute for coffee, food, and assembly of a light balloon.
Together some kind of light balloon thing that we're gonna try to have some fun with.
So we're gonna end up going just beneath us, not literally beneath us, just a little bit that way and down to an underpass that has some really good symmetry and will be cool for some low light. Okay, so we just made it to this underpass just underneath the 403, and so we're gonna try some sparklers first, then we're gonna go to some steel wool. Might do a double steel wool, see how that turns out, and then we're gonna do maybe some light painting. What do you think? Light painting?
Yeah, it might be dark enough, we'll have to see.
Cool, light painting, steel wool, here we go.
Oh, yeah. hear the bells. Everything about you calling out to me, I got to hold ya. Baby, I'm not running around looking for nobody else. I've got one thing on my mind, I already hear the bells. I'm a victim of love calling out to heaven above for ya.
Okay, we finished off underneath the overpass. Trying to figure out what to do next. We haven't done any light painting yet. It's only been steel wool.